So back again, ready to do another page in my little booklet of Arch's hot press paper. Now this page has some mess going on just from spatter from before, and what you can always do is you can paint a darker color over the spatter, and if that doesn't work, I do a lot of doodling and maybe some stenciling, so you can always hide stuff like this. It's really no big deal. So today I want to do this page. Of course I'm going to wet it like always, and I've got my fan brush for spatter. I'm going to use my number 6 large brush to wet the page. And then I've got various round brushes here just to drop in the color. I've got a number 8, I've got a number 10, and I've got a number 4. So I may use all of these, I may not. I like to work very organically, so sometimes I'll put tools out that I don't use, and other times I won't get tools that I need. It's just the way it goes. So this color here is turquoise from my Sonnet set, this set here. And then this gold metallic color is from my Modern Masters set, and this set does not. I wish it said Modern Masters on here, but this set is from Hobby Lobby, and then I got my Sonnet set on eBay if you want to hook yourself up. And then the metallics, these are really gorgeous. You get this one, and then you get a lower tray as well. I'm not going to pull it out right now, but you get a lower tray as well. And so I may be pulling more colors from this for this page, but I really want this predominantly turquoise and maybe some dark blue and gold. So here's this page all dry now, and I love how it came out. You can see all that metallic shimmer. I just really like all the blooming and the spatter. That's the way I like to paint. And since I have such a wild style of painting, I've decided, since I'm working out of my little book, to go ahead and do what I should have done to begin with, what most people do to begin with, and that's just grab yourself a piece of wax paper, and when you go to begin a new page, just toss this in to protect the rest of the book. I got really overzealous with that last page there. I'm going to turn this to a factory edge. And then I'm just going to fold it over because I need to clip it.